Every morning, the trading begins. Opportunities move fast. Only those who are prepared can move faster. Pursue India's first MBA in capital markets in knowledge partnership with NISM, the country's leading institute for securities market education, established by SEBI. This comprehensive program brings together Bloomberg terminal training, certification endorsed by NISM, live market exposure, a 5-day, 5-night industry immersive training in Mumbai, 12 sessions on mutual funds derivatives, visit to a leading financial institution such as NSE, BSE, SEBI, SEBI-mandated NISM certifications, including Series 12, Securities Markets, and Series 15, Research Analyst. 46% application-driven learning, direct exposure to SEBI, NSE, and live trading floors, AI-powered learning, portfolio management, specializations in marketing and HR management. Become an expert in capital markets and real-world trading. Enroll today at Global School of Finance and Accounting.